Welcome to Best Choice. The Best First Period Kits is probably one of the most thoughtful and essential purchases a parent or guardian can make for their child as they navigate the exciting, yet sometimes daunting, journey into puberty and menstruation, offering a discreet, empowering, and practical solution to ensure comfort and confidence during this significant milestone. Number 5. RedDrop Tween Period Kit. Get ready for your first period with this comprehensive kit. It's designed specifically for young girls aged 9 to 12, providing everything you need for comfort and confidence. This kit includes 30 everyday pads, perfect for regular flow days. You'll have plenty to keep you comfortable and protected throughout the month. For those heavier flow days and nights, we've included 14 flow day and 14 flow night pads. These offer extra absorbency and security when you need it most. When maximum protection is essential, you'll find 10 maximum pads with wings. These provide superior coverage and a secure fit, giving you peace of mind. Stay fresh and clean with 7 feminine wipes included in the kit. Plus, a convenient pouch to carry your essentials wherever you go. This all-in-one kit ensures you're prepared for your period with comfort and discretion. It's the perfect starter pack for young teens. What we like? This kit offers a generous amount of pads for various flow levels, ensuring she's covered day and night. If you're looking for a comprehensive starter pack with plenty of options, this is a great choice. It's ideal for families who want to ensure their daughter has everything she needs without needing to repurchase supplies frequently. What people say. This kit is a great starter kit for girls who are starting their period. It has everything a girl needs to feel prepared and comfortable. The products included are high quality and easy to use. Number 4. First Period Kit to Go. Organic Tween Pads and Liner. Introducing the First Period Kit to Go. It's everything you need for your first period, conveniently packed and ready for anything. Our pads and liners are made with organic materials, offering a gentle and eco-friendly choice for your body. Feel good about what you're using. This kit includes a stylish period pouch, perfect for keeping your essentials discreetly in your school bag. Stay prepared and confident throughout the day. Specifically curated for teen girls aged 11 to 14, these pads and liners offer reliable protection. They are designed to fit your needs during this time. This comprehensive kit ensures you have comfortable and dependable period products whenever you need them. It's the perfect starter set for young women. What we like? This option focuses on natural, gentle materials, perfect for sensitive skin and eco-conscious families. If you prioritize organic ingredients and a discreet, fashionable way to carry essentials, this is the one. It's designed for the active teen who needs a reliable and earth-friendly solution for school and beyond. What people say. This kit is a great starter pack for a young girl. It includes everything a girl needs to feel prepared and confident. The products are high quality and designed with young girls in mind. Number 3. First Period Kit to Go. Organic Biodegradable Tween Pads and Liner. This kit provides everything a young woman needs to feel prepared and confident during her period. It's designed to help her understand her body and embrace this new stage with a digital guide for self-care. We've taken the guesswork out of period care. This all-inclusive kit contains everything she needs for her cycle, including pads, liners, disposable pouches, and a feminine wipe, all fitting neatly into a stylish travel bag. Made with soft, breathable organic cotton, our products are gentle on sensitive skin. They help reduce odor and irritation without harsh chemicals, keeping her feeling fresh throughout the day. Her life is busy, and so is she. This kit is designed to be portable, easily fitting into a backpack, purse, or sports bag. She can navigate her day with ease and confidence, no matter what comes her way. Feel good about what she's using. This kit is made in the USA with organic cotton pads and liners, and compostable disposable pouches. It's a choice that's good for her and good for the planet. What we like? This kit emphasizes sustainability with its organic, biodegradable materials and compostable pouches. If you're looking for a product that's good for both your daughter and the planet, this is an excellent selection. It's suitable for environmentally aware families who want to instill responsible choices from the start. What people say. The product is designed to be comfortable and discreet, making it easy for young girls to use. It includes a variety of absorbency levels to suit different needs, ensuring protection throughout the day and night. The packaging is child-friendly and educational, providing clear instructions and helpful tips for first-time users. Number 2. PurComfy Teens Organic Cotton Period Pads. Introducing PurComfy Teens, specially designed for young girls. These pads offer comfort and protection during their period. Made with soft, organic cotton, they are gentle on sensitive skin. You can feel confident and comfortable all day long. The integrated wings provide a secure fit, preventing leaks and shifting. Move freely without worry. These mini petite pads are ideal for girls aged 9 to 14. They offer the right size for a growing body. Each pack contains 15 individually wrapped pads. Stay fresh and protected wherever you go. What we like. These pads are specifically designed for teens with organic cotton for comfort and gentleness. If your daughter has sensitive skin or you prefer smaller, more discreet pads, these are a fantastic option. They provide reliable protection in a size that's just right for younger bodies. What people say. This is a great starter kit for a girl's first period. It includes everything she needs to feel prepared and comfortable. The products are high quality and discreet, making it easy for girls to manage their periods without feeling embarrassed. The kit is well organized and easy to use, with clear instructions and helpful tips for first-time users. Number 1. First Moon Gift Pouch. Mark this special milestone with a thoughtful gift. It's a beautiful way to celebrate her transition into womanhood. Looking for the perfect gift for a tween or teen girl? This starter kit is designed to make her feel celebrated and prepared. A heartfelt present from a mother or father to their daughter. It's a symbol of love and support during this new chapter. This isn't just a gift box, it's a celebration. It includes items like socks, a pen, and more, varying with each unique pouch. Embrace this new beginning with a gift that signifies growth and new cycles. It's a reminder of the exciting journey ahead. Help her navigate this new phase with confidence and joy. This kit is designed to empower and comfort her. What we like. This is more than just a period kit, it's a thoughtful gift box designed to celebrate this milestone. If you're looking for a special way to mark her first period and provide her with essential items alongside meaningful keepsakes, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for creating a positive and empowering experience for both mother and daughter. What people say. This kit is a great starter kit for girls beginning their period. It includes everything a girl needs to feel prepared and confident. The products are high quality and discreet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.